Today I want to teach you another vowel sound which is very important in Persian. A sound in Persian has 4 members and a lot of very important words and verbs we have with A sound. A sound has 4 members as I told you. A اول, A وسط, A آخر چسبان and A آخر تنها. Come with me, I want to teach you A. Hi everybody, I am Mahtab Saleh and this is Persian with Mahtab. If you are watching my video for the first time, return back and watch the previous videos because I am teaching you Persian language in a systematic way. To learn Persian, you should start from the first video because little by little and gradually I teach you more sounds and combine these sounds to make words. How do we write A اول up to bottom and A? This A always comes at the beginning. Initial A. Initial A like استکان that we drink tea with. استکان. You see, we have here also A وسط that I am going to introduce you. The second member is A وسط. A وسط is below other sounds. Foot. Look at skate. Skate is always below the feet. This A is like a skate. It comes below the feet of other sounds and make them sound A. For instance, you see in the word استکان or مداد, for instance, you have me sound and with A وسط it will be me, or we have T sound with A it will be te. Okay, now A اول, A وسط. The third member is A آخر چسبان. چسب in Persian is stick. A آخر چسبان is this. This A come at the end of the word and take the hand of previous sound and make it sound A. A آخر چسبان, look at here, is this. Always takes the hand of previous sound hand, takes the hands of previous one, but not the next. And when it come at the end of the word, then you pronounce it A. For instance, in the word peste, A took the hand of te, peste. Or in the word روزنامه, newspaper, took the hand of me. Or in the word baste, a postal parcel, you see baste, this A took the hand of te. Peste, روزنامه, baste. So this A always take the hands of the sound that their hand is on the line. You see? But the last member is A آخر تنها. تنها in Persian is lonely. A آخر تنها is very beautiful, like a drop of water. A آخر تنها wants to be alone always. He or she is alone because it never takes the hands of other sound and his hand is above its head. lonely A آخره تنها. This A never takes the hand of other sounds, so this A exclusively comes after the sound which they are alone also, and they don't take the hand of the next sound. For instance, the sound that we have learned, R sound and Z sound. Look at here, for instance, in the word پرنده, bird. In پرنده, after the you see A آخره تنها. A آخره تنها. Or for the sound, we have the word تازه. You see? تازه. A آخره تنها. Or the word سبزه. سبزه. Sabze, that we have a very beautiful song in Persian. Sabze be naz mi ayad. In the word sabze, you can see the A sound. Now, let's go to our friendship table, جدول دوستی, to combine the A and show other words. This is جدول دوستی. این جدول دوستی است. برای صرفه‌جویی در زمان, to economizing time, I have written the vowel sounds above. Now we are completely learning the vowel sounds in Persian. آ اول, آ غیر اول, ا اول, ا وسط, او اول, او غیر اول, او اول, او غیر اول, اور او وسط, ای اول, ای وسط, ای آخر, ای مستقل. And today we learn ای اول, ای وسط, ای آخر چسبان, ای آخر تنها. If we make friendship between B and A, this A, as I told you, is always at the beginning. So, the consonant can make friendship between this A and this and this. Okay? For instance, B and A will be B or B. This B will be like تابستان. تابستان. Summer. I will teach you seasons and months in Persian. Subscribe for more videos. تابستان or B. You see? A very beautiful A آخره چسبان. This B is two. من به تهران می روم. I go to Tehran. This two is B. من به لندن می روم. I go to London. B. P and A will be P or P. This P like peste. Look at how do I write. A tooth for P, three teeth for C, one tooth for T, and A آخره چسبان. Peste, peste, and T and A will be T and T, T and T. Look at here. Baste, baste. B, one tooth for B, three teeth for C, one tooth for T, and A آخره چسبان. بسته بسته. م and a will be like مداد مداد. Write me, then the sound a and the, then مداد مداد and ز and ز two form ز and ز. This ز can be like زشت ugly. I write it here. زشت زشت in Persian is ugly. And the word تازه, I write it here. The word تازه with a آخره تنها means fresh. میوه تازه fresh fruit تازه. And the sound the with a will be the and the and the a like پرنده پرنده پرنده. Now you have learned a very important sound in Persian with 4 members and numerous words. Let's go to homework. I will write you homework and you can learn how to write and complete and have a drill and exercise for writing correct form. A اول up to bottom. A وسط. A آخره چسبان and A آخره تنها. A اول A وسط. Look at here. Go up, return back, a very beautiful triangle here and A آخره تنها. The word مداد 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 me, then go and write the the مداد. The word پسته pistachio one tooth for P, 3 teeth for C, 1 tooth for T and A آخره چسبان. Return back and dots for P and T. پسته. The word بسته The word پرنده bird. پرنده. And the word fresh تازه. تازه. Write these homeworks, comment your opinions, and subscribe for more videos. We continue to the end. Good luck.